Hello everyone, welcome to TechBook channel. My name is John Paul. Today I'm gonna teach you how to fix laptop problems or problems on your laptops. And this is the problem. Power lights blinks on and won't turn on. To fix this, first unplug the power jack and then the battery. After this, press power button for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Third is insert the battery. And then put the power jack. And then as you see, this is a Toshiba brand, and what you're gonna do is to press Fn and then F5, hold this together and then power. So that's then start Windows normally. So this is how you fix your problems in laptops. And if you like it, please subscribe. Thank you.